if you are encountering a message stating that your Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store or that it's not working in the App Store, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Settings app in your iPhone, and inside Settings, tap on your name on the top of your page. You can see the name on the top of your page. Simply tap on it and you will be navigated to the account menu, Apple ID menu. So there you will get to see the media and purchase option available there. Simply tap on the media and purchase, and after you tap on it, you will get to see the option like password settings available there. So basically I don't have password settings option in my phone, but if you have it, then simply tap on the password settings. Now inside the password settings, you will have to keep always require password option checked and tap on the done in the top right corner. After that, go to the media and purchase option again, and inside it, tap on the view account option available shown in your page. So after you tap on the view account, it will take some time to log into your account page. So as you can see, we have tapped on view account in media and purchase, and it will ask for a face ID or password from your iPhone. Enter it, and now inside the account settings, you will get to see the country/region option available there. Simply tap on the country/region option available there and change your country and region. After you tap on the country or region option available there, it will take you to the another page, and there you will get to see the option. So here it's taking some time to load. Here you will get to see the option change country or region. Tap on it again, and from it you can choose the country you are currently living on. So what happens is sometimes you forget to change the country or region after shifting to the another country, or it's always on the another country region, so you'll have to keep it in the country, the same country and region you are currently living on. So make sure that you choose the country you are currently living on, and simply go back to the App Store after this, and inside App Store, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. There, simply scroll down and tap on the sign out option and sign out from your App Store, and simply log into your App Store again. So by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of your Apple ID not working in the iTunes Store or App Store. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.